There are different kinds of needles needed for working on different kinds of fabrics and on working on different kinds of machines. Today we're going to be exploring majorly four different types of needles. So first, we're working with our DB needle. The DB needle is an industrial sewing machine needle. It has a small rounded head to fit into the needle clamp of the industrial sewing machine. So it's also a universal kind of needle. It's universal, but you cannot use it on your embroidery machine. So you can see how tiny it is. The head all the way to the needle area is very tiny. So it's for your industrial sewing machine. So that's your DB needle. So if you have a needle that is not DB, don't bother using it on your industrial sewing machine. This is size 21 for very thick fabrics. So the bigger the number, the thicker the fabrics you need it to work with. Do not use a size 21 needle to work on slim fabrics. Next, we have a size 18 for medium weight fabrics. Still your DB, you can use it on your manual sewing machines, your other sewing machines. If you don't have a HA needle, you can use your DB on your blackhead sewing machines. Then next, we have our HA needle. HA needle is specifically for manual sewing machines. It has two sides. It has a flat side and it has a rounded side. So that directs you on how to fix your needle. So when I'm teaching you how to use your sewing machine, I'll show you how to fix your needle. This is how it comes. This comes as a pack of 10. You don't have to buy this way. You can buy this for your work intermittently, but if you want to have plenty to work with, you can just buy the box. So this is where they wrote the size 16. So you want to work with medium weight fabrics, you want to work with ready to wear fabrics that are not very thick and not very light, you get to work with a size 16. Then when you're working with lightweight fabrics like chiffon, organdy, organza, you can work with size 14. This is HA size 14 needle. This is violin needle. You can see it. You can get it in the market close to you. Anywhere they're selling sewing materials, you can get it there. And this is what it looks like on the inside. That's HA needle for blackhead manual machines. You can also use it for some electric machines, quite selective, but you cannot use it on your industrial machine. So anytime you want to buy thread for your industrial machine, do well to buy DB and not HA. So if you want to work with a manual machine, do well to buy HA needle. Then DP is kind of a universal needle, but it doesn't work for industrial sewing machines. So if you have an industrial sewing machine, DP is big head. You can't use your DP in your industrial sewing machine. You can only use your DB for your industrial sewing machine. For your DP is big head, is for embroidery machines, is for some singer machines that require the machine to have a bigger head before they can fit into the needle tight. Sometimes when you check your needle tight and you see that it's not tightening your needle very well, it might just be that the needle head size is too small for that needle tight to tighten. It's just your cue to get your DP needle. The size will depend on the kind of fabric you're working with. Then now we also have the DP size 21 for very thick fabrics. You're working on a heavily padded outfit, a wedding dress, the very thick part of it, you need a size 21 needle. Then we have our DB size 21 for very thick fabric. Okay, so next we have the DC needle. The DC needle is not here. The DC needle is for industrial weaving machine. So we have HA, DB, DP, and DC. So DC is for weaving machine, is for the weaving machine, and I will see you in the next class.